Whenever you build a building, it's not the people who builds the building, the people who makes bread. Whenever you build a building, it's not the people who builds the building, the people who makes bread how to build a building.
Thank you.
All the each how to build a building.
This is factory matte black. When Lamborghini does their matte, they go super dull. So we're gonna have to have a lot of fun making the body kit match this thing without blending. So let's see how we're gonna do that. Alright guys, Urus Performante right here. This is not your regular Urus, this is brand new Performante Urus. This is the second wide-body Performante Urus in the world, not just here, in the world. We did the first one in that gold color that you guys saw, and now this factory Nero Nemesis matte black color. We are washing it right now, so I mean nothing looks crazier than honestly Nero Nemesis being washed. I mean that matte black with the water over it and little globs of shiny looking paint, it just looks crazy right now. But yeah, this is a 1016 kit, and we opted to do a full matte clear coat on the carbon fiber. So this car already had factory matte carbon, but the only things remaining that we did not change would be the trunk, the roof, this little piece right here. So these are still factory matte carbon pieces. All the rest of the carbon you see is the 1016 kit, and it's our matte clear coat. This is nearly impossible to do. 99% of shops out there in this world cannot do this. This is paint matched to the body of the car. And like I said, this is a matte paint, Nero Nemesis, and there's zero blending on this car. We did not blend any panel. The flares are literally painted. These are FRP, so carbon fiber FRP, and then we painted them Nero Nemesis. So, but we got some new Velos wheels on there. These have like the aero disc, looks incredible. Look at this fitment. Again, only RDB does this. The fitment is insanely flush. We had to actually cut out the body kit underneath so I could stick my fingers in there. As you can see, normally you cannot, and the wheel would just hit it and break it. So we cut the underneath part of them, and basically the wheel goes inside there, just like my Urus, just like all the other Uruses we do. If you're doing a wide body anything and your fitment is whack, you're wasting your money on the wide body. So you gotta make sure your stance is good. But yeah, it's got the full diffuser, vents, flares, a little side extension. The hood is really sick, so check out the hood. And then also the front lower lip. But again, the matte carbon fiber on the matte Nero Nemesis paint looks incredible. And the whole hood is exposed carbon fiber that we shot matte clear coat on it, and it looks amazing. So I hope you guys like it. Like I said, this is a brand new Performante Urus. We have another Performante Urus that was supposed to arrive today. It didn't. It's coming tomorrow, and that's a red color. So the next one you guys will see is a red one.
I have no idea, but this car is done. Tow truck is taking it right now. We just finished it, went over the whole car, quality check. We're in the middle of sunset. Cars are driving like crazy, back and forth, 100 degrees outside, and that's a wrap. Let's go back to the shop. It's got a pretty big oil leak. So we're gonna work on that first to see where is it coming from. It might be from the oil pan it might be from the oil pan itself. It might be cracked or has damage, or gasket. So we need to see what's going on with that first, and then we're gonna move into some body work with this car. Rear bumper has to be repaired. There's some scratches on the doors. We're gonna fix that as well. Basically, needs a little bit of love. That's what we're gonna do, and get this thing back.
Alright guys, we're on scene with this 2023 Rolls-Royce Phantom. This is not the extended wheelbase, it's the regular wheelbase, which looks really, really nice because it's such a big car. Usually we see the extended, and the extended looks funny because the rear door is so big. Oh, Arctic white over crystal right here, this color. So that paint option is crazy. It has the full Charles blue interior as well. And now what you guys see there is the new Mansory deep dish wheels. I don't know why I said deep dish, but yeah, it's like a dish. It's diamond cut, so it has that incredible finish where it's like shiny. Normally everybody here does a regular brush with sandpaper, but that's actually diamond cut finish, and those wheels retail for over $23,000. Pirelli tires on there because they're beefier, 35 series, not 30s. So you saw that thick tire on there. The car is on stock suspension, not even lowered. Look how incredible that thing looks. It's such a perfect wheel with that car, honestly, and it still drives amazingly smooth and all that. So yeah, we got these wheels within 1 week. Mansory had it in stock. We air freighted them real fast, got them and put them on the customer's car. This is the car we actually did a full clear bra as well on it. So it has a full clear bra, and then we're gonna be doing the custom reupholstery of the steering wheel in the Charles blue. We just got that leather in from Rolls-Royce. So this is almost a $600,000 vehicle right here, brand new 2023, like I said, and now it's featuring those badass Mansory wheels.
What happened? And I just drove there and they didn't have the tire. Then I
Go back and do it again. Go, 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 go.
We think it is on
Probably a nail, but you know, sometimes we can fix it without taking out the tire. But in this case, we have to take it out.
Yeah, I think it could be saved. Our plugs are pretty good.
It's been a while that we released new merch. This is a new cut and sewn hoodie that we have, custom, drop shoulders, looks really, really nice. This is something we've never done. It's a crew neck. It has the RDB and then back of it there's the F40. This shirt did very, very well for us, so we went ahead, did it again. It has that really badass graphic on the back of it. This is one of our biggest sellers with the RDB Ferrari type font, kind of like a faded yellow look on a vintage gray, looks amazing. And then boom, you got your red F40 in the back. And my personal favorite, which I wore a lot, this is the RDB sweat shorts. And they fit so, so good and so comfortable. 3 pockets, so 2 in the front, 1 in the back. These are probably gonna fly, especially it's hot. So get on there, get these. Like I said, we take our merch very seriously. We go super high end. We don't do any of the cheap stuff, no gilding. This is all actually made overseas, so very high quality stuff. Shop now, rdbla.com.
Hey, he took the best one. See, he's a fuck.
Hey, there's still, that's not gonna even fit him. Hey, look at him. How is that perfect?
Your tits are coming out.
Oh yeah, he's wearing the motorsport shirt, I'm wearing the Ferrari shirt, and I'm wearing the shorts. Look at these shorts.
And then I'm wearing the oldest one because nobody gives a shit on it.
You're wearing the
Bro,
sickest one with the
you have
GTA
20
shirt.
of them at home. You give a lot of people.
Greedy ass people at the shop.
Okay, look.
There's one.
I always, whenever I get a new shirt, I give it.
Okay, what are you gonna do with this one?
I'm gonna wear this.
So why did you wear it now? That you're stinky and
Yeah,
sweaty.
so it will be sweaty, so that no one's gonna ask.
By the way, look at these custom made carbon fiber RDB hangers. They're real carbon fiber, by the way.
I have them.
Not a wrap.
Sarkis has 12 at his house.
No, I have 2 of them.
Comes with each order.
Definitely not. Oh man, it made Moses look good.
Yeah.
There you go, guys.
Most, you become a good body.
This one, my honey bring it to me. That's when you do a good job, you know?
Good job where?
In home.
Look where the seatbelt's sitting.
Hey! Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below, all right? So, see you on the next one. Haha!